Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study well last minute. First, quickly scan all your materials to get a broad overview of what needs to be covered. Identify the most important topics and those where you feel least confident. Prioritize these areas, dedicating more time to them. This strategic approach ensures you focus your limited time on what will yield the greatest results, rather than getting bogged down in less critical details. Next, engage in active recall. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself on key concepts. Try to explain topics aloud without looking at your notes. If possible, work through practice questions or past exams to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions. This active engagement solidifies your understanding and helps identify any remaining weak spots quickly. Now, optimize your study environment. Find a quiet, clutter-free space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Implement the Pomodoro technique, taking short, 5-minute breaks every 25 to 30 minutes to maintain focus and prevent mental fatigue. Remember to stay hydrated and nourish your body with healthy snacks. Your brain needs fuel to perform its best under pressure. Finally, do a quick, targeted review of your most challenging topics right before the exam. Crucially, prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. On exam day, arrive early, stay calm, and trust your preparation. And hey, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.